This video is to show you some of the keyboard shortcuts that you can utilize with your computer. There's hundreds of different shortcuts out there, so I've just picked some of my favorites and some that I feel like if you can master these, it'll really affect your productivity with utilizing your computer. So let's start with those involving the Command key. Your Command key is this key located just to the left of your spacebar. And if you hit Command and spacebar at the same time, one action that will happen is that you bring up your Spotlight search. This is the same thing as if you click in the upper right hand corner and click the magnifying glass, but hitting Command spacebar will bring it up that much faster for you to allow you to search your computer. Our next one listed here is Command M. Command M is going to minimize the window that you have open on top, and it puts it right down here on the bottom of your dock. You can accomplish the same task by hitting the yellow circle in the middle of your window options there on the left, but hitting Command M will, again, do that much faster for you. Next is quitting applications. Command Q, hitting those at the same time will allow you to quit the application that is currently in front and running on your computer. It's good to quit your applications if you have a lot running at the same time because multiple applications open and running can really affect the operation of your computer. So it's good to occasionally quit your applications. The next four I recommend using in conjunction with each other to really master your productivity, and that's cut, copy, paste, and undo. If you don't master anything else from this list, make sure you get these four down. So cutting text or an image or something that you're working with is just highlighting it, hitting Command X, and it's going to go away. It's been saved to your clipboard, which means that you can then paste it again as needed by doing Command V. Okay? If you want to copy something, again, highlight it, hit Command C, and then you put your cursor where you want it to go and hit the Command V to paste it. So that's how you copy. Now, if you want to undo something you've just done, hit Command Z, and your last action is going to go away. All right, you can do all of these features also by going to Edit and selecting Copy, Paste, Cut, or Undo. But that's a much slower action than just remembering how the keyboard shortcuts will work. Okay, next, let's talk briefly about screenshots. Command-Shift-5 is going to open up your screenshot utility bar. I have a whole other video talking about this bar, so you can refer to that, but essentially what it allows you to do is to take either a screenshot or a screencast and design your options around those. Okay, if you want to do a whole screenshot and don't need to worry about the utility bar, you can just do Command-Shift-3. That's going to take a whole picture right there that you can pull up. See, that's my whole screen. And that screenshot, or a partial screenshot, is Command-Shift-4. You get this cross symbol, and then you can use that to click and drag and select the portion of your screen that you want to record, which is what I did right here. Okay. Finally, my other screenshots that I wanted to, or keyboard shortcuts that I want to make you aware of, is speech for the first one. You can turn on speech in the accessibility portion of your system preferences. And once you have speech enabled, you can highlight text and do Option Escape
to complete your choice board activity from the board below.
And it's going to read to you.
Any Apple product tip.
Hitting Option Escape again will make it stop, which is what I just did, but this is a great feature to have turned on. And again, you do that by going to your Apple, choosing System Preferences, going to Accessibility, and choosing Speech. From there, the bottom box will allow you to speak the selected text when the key is pressed, and Option Escape is the default screen or keyboard shortcut for doing that. I'm going to go ahead and minimize those. Another one is the quick look of files. I talk about this in another video as well, but if you highlight a file and just hit spacebar, it's going to open up a quick look for you so that you can quickly see what is in that. You can even scroll through it as needed. So that's just a single tap on an item, spacebar, and it opens it up. You can use this in whatever window you are in or even in your mail application if you're using that. The final two are Mission Control and Launchpad, and these are the F3 and F4 keys at the top of your keyboard. F3 launches Mission Control, and this just allows you to see all of the applications that are currently running on your computer. If I were to add a few more to that, you can really see, like, if I have a bunch of things open and I hit F3, it gives me a quick look at everything going on my computer. Okay, then finally F4, this is your launch pad. This allows you to quickly swipe and see the different applications on your computer. Okay, so that's a quick way to get to applications if you don't want to go to your Finder and access applications that way. So that was a very quick run through of some of these shortcuts. You can always refer back to this video, take a look at this list to remind yourself of some of the ones that I think are the best for your productivity.